Hello Scratchers, if you want to learn how to make different geometric shapes using a repeat block in Scratch, then this video covers the making of triangle, square, hexagon, pentagons and even a circle. So if you're interested in this stuff, then this video is for you. So first, let's see the program. As you can see guys, the value of this variable is 3 and the number of the sides of the shape is also 3. So this is a triangle. Now let's make it a pentagon. As you can see guys, I will change the value to 5 and now it is a pentagon. Now you can also set it to a circle by maximizing the value like this. As you can see guys, now it is a circle. Now let's get to coding. So this program will be divided into 3 parts: initialization, main script and print. So let's start with our main program. So go to the events category and drag the when green flag clicked block here. Now go to the costumes tab and delete this cat costume. Now also delete this cat. Now I will create an 8 by 8 square. So guys, remember that each of this box is 4 by 4 pixels. So to create an 8 by 8, I will select this rectangle tool and set the outline thickness to 0. Now to be accurate, we will convert it to bitmap and create it from here. I have made this 8 by 8 square so that we can see the shape. And I will name this costume box. Now go to the code tab. Now for initialization, we will go to the my blocks category and we will create a new custom block. Name it initialization. And check that box of run without screen refresh. Now, under the define initialization script, we will go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block here. Now, drag the set rotation style to block here and we will set the rotation style to don't rotate. Now, we will add an extension called pen and drag the eraser block here. Now we will call this function beneath the when green flag click block. So in the initialization script, first it will set its x-axis to 0 and also the y-axis to 0. And it will set this rotation style to don't rotate, which means that it won't rotate in any direction. And then it will erase everything inside the stage area. Now, go to the control category and drag the forever loop here. Now, inside the forever loop, we will set the pen color to, let's say, red. You can set any color you want, but I am going to choose red. Now, I will set the pen size to 3. So this will be the outline width of the shape. Now, for creating the shape, I will create a new custom block. Name it print. And check that box off run without screen refresh. Now, we will first erase everything inside the stage area and drag the pen up block here. Now go to the motion category and drag the point in direction block here and set the value to 90 so that our shape stays straight. Now we will set the x-axis of the shape to 0 and the y-axis of the shape to 0. Now go to the variables category and rename the my variable to sides and click OK. Now show this variable, extend the stage area and double click it. And now double click it again. Now right click this and we will change the slider range and set the minimum value to 3 and the maximum value to 40. Now under the initialization script, I will initially set the sides variable to 3. Now go to the control category and drag the repeat loop here. Now go to the variables category and we will repeat for the value inside sides variable. Now go to the motion category and drag the move steps block here. And inside the move steps block, we will calculate the size of each side. So to do that, we will enter the current size of the shape, then we will divide it with the number of sides. So this will give us the correct value of how much large sides you want. So to do that, we will go to the operators category and drag the divide block here. And let's say I want the shape size to be 600. And in this space, I will drag the sides variable. Now, I want to turn the shape at every side. So, go to the motion category and drag the turn degrees block here. Now this is the tricky part. So let me give you an example. So for example, let's say our size variable is 3. So if we divide 360 by 3, then it gives us the correct value 120, which is the correct value of going to each corner and then rotating. So this will make the angle of each triangle corner to 45 degrees. So guys, go to the operators category and drag the divide block here. And in the first space, I will set the value to 360. And we will divide the 360 by sides. As you can see guys, it does not print because I have penned up. So to fix that, we will go to the pen category and drag the pen down block here. Now let's run our program. Sorry guys, the program is not working because I haven't called the function. So we will call the print function here. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, now it prints the shape. But the shape is not in center. So we will initially set its y-axis to 60. As you can see guys, now its y-axis is better. But its x-axis is not in center. Now to make its x-axis to center, so we will divide the shape size of side by 2, which means the half value of the shape size side, and move it backward by that. Then this sprite will start from here. So this means that our shape will now be in center. So go to the motion category and drag the change xy block here. Now go to the operators category and drag the divide block here and another divide block inside this space. And we will divide 600, which is the shape size, with the number of sides that the user has given us, and we will divide the value by 2. So guys, there is one change we have to do. We will take this out and drag a minus block here. and set the value in the first space to 0 and then drag this here. I have entered this value so that it gives us a negative number, and a negative number in Scratch and changing x, y or moving by a negative value means to move it backward. So guys, let's run our program. As you can see guys, now our shape stays in center. Now guys, there's one thing I want to do. I want a black background. So go to the stage area and go to the backdrops tab. Now we will convert to bitmap. And select this fill tool and we will fill in the color black. Like this. And click on the canvas. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, it prints a shape. Now I want this box sprite to be hidden. So let's hide it. So go to this sprite and go to the code tab. And now under the initialization script, go to the looks category and drag the height block here. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, it looks very cool. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn how to easily use Scratch Paint Editor, its different options and how to draw interesting things easily, then check out my Scratch tutorial how to use Scratch Paint Editor. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys and take care.